Welcome friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss questions on environmental pollutions. You can download the short notes of the Hindu PDF from the given below links, which is most important for UPSC prelims, mains as well as interview. And it is also simultaneously important for various other kind of examinations like state PCS, bankings, SSC, staff selection commissions, etc., railways. So we'll move further. Here you can see the number which is meant for WhatsApp group. You can join this group for answer writing initiatives, and you can follow me on my Facebook page. You can subscribe the blogs for getting an interesting articles in your inbox. Third thing is you can join the Telegram channel to get more PDFs. Right. So today we are going to discuss the questions on the environmental pollutions. Chapter number 5 of the Shankar IAS. This is the soil pollution, and it is a part 3 of this chapter. Okay, so now let us begin this question. Question number 1 says, statement 1 says, soil is thin layer of organic and inorganic materials that covers the earth's rock surface. Statement number 2 says, soil is a thin layer of organic but not inorganic materials. So choose the correct code from the given options, that is only A, only B, both A and B, and neither A nor B. So you have to choose the correct answer from the options. Pause the video and try to attempt the question. Then if it is wrong, you can see here. So our option A will be the right answer and B is the wrong answer, because it is saying that it will not include the inorganic materials. No, it is the wrong answer, because soil includes organic as well as inorganic materials. Then it is together called it as the earth's rock structure. Okay, so next we move further. Second question, that is, which of the following deteriorates the soil quality? Deforestation. Okay, let me read once again this statement. Which of the following deteriorates the soil quality? Statement number 1 says deforestation and soil erosion. Statement number 2 says pollution due to urbanization. So obviously this is not a scientific question. This is just an common sense question. So option number C will be the right answer. C, both A and B are the right statements, because deforestation obviously it leads to the soil erosion, and pollution due to urbanizations, yes, because more motor vehicles will be there, get into the roads, so the pollution will occur as much as. Okay, next we may see further the third question, that is, industrial waste includes chemicals such as mercury, lead, copper, zinc, cadmium, cyanide, thiocyanate, chromate, acids, alkalis, organic substances, etc. Next, statement 2 says pesticides are chemicals that includes insecticides, fungicides, algicides, rodenticides, weedicides, spray in order to improve the productivity of agriculture, forestry and horticulture. So which of the statements is given a correct? So here both the statements are correct, but the thing is, whenever the pesticides they'll use much, first of all let me tell you the answer. Here both the statements are correct, that is C will be the answer. Now if a farmer is using more types of pesticides on a small piece of land, the land obviously get deteriorated in some or other day, because the nutrients will leach away, and then the yield of the forest will get deteriorated. In this way the deterioration of the soil takes place. Next we see further for fourth question, that is, which of the following are effects of the soil pollution? What are the effects of the soil pollution? Here talking about the soil pollution. Statement number 1 says increased erosion, loss of soil and nutrients. Statement number 2 says dangerous chemicals entering underground water. So which of the statement is given a correct? statement number 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, and neither 1 nor 2. So here we can say that both the statements are true, so no need of explanation for this kind of questions because this is a very simple question. Next we move further for fifth question, that is measures to control the soil pollution. What are the measures to be taken to control the soil pollution? Statement number 1 says reducing chemical fertilizers and pesticides use. Statement number 2 says use of biopesticides, biofertilizers, etc. And third states organic farming. So statement number 1 we have discussed earlier also, that is reducing chemical fertilizers and pesticides use. So you can say statement number 1 is a option also. Okay, so next we move further directly for the option number 3, that is organic farming. Yes, it will give a good results, but it will take some sort of long time, but it is not talking about the any kind of time duration. It is talking only about the reduction of the soil pollution. So we can say directly about this, that is statement number C is the right answer. Option numbers all are the correct options. Okay, next we see about the sixth question. Statement number 1 says a soil pollutants is any factor which deteriorates the quality, texture and mineral content of the soil, or which disturbs the biological balance of the organisms in the soil. Statement number 2 says a soil pollutant is any factor which not deteriorates the quality, texture and mineral contents of the soil, or which disturbs the biological balance or of the organisms in the soil. So choose the correct answer here. Option number A 1 and 2, that is A and B. Option number B only B. Option number C is A, and option number D is none. So choose the correct answer from the given below options and given statements, and from the given below options. So here let me tell you the answer, that is option number C will be the right answer. Option number B is the wrong answer because it is saying about the not deteriorate, so this statement goes wrong here. Next we move further the seventh question, that is National Lake Conservation Plan and National Wetland Conservation Program for conservation and management of identified lakes and wetlands in the country. Here it is talking about the NLCP and NWCP are for the conservation and management of the identified lakes and wetlands in the country. Whether this statement is correct or wrong, just think about it. And the second option says NLCP and the NWCP are for conservation and management of the identified waterfalls and parks in the country. So these statements differs each other. Choose the correct answer from the given codes. Only 1 and 2, only 2, 3, only 1, 2, 3 and all of the above. Here the options are given little bit wrong, so let me give the options here. Option number A is only A. Option number B says only B. Option number C says both A and B, and option number D says none. So here our option right answer will be the only A is the right answer, because it is rightly it is the work of the NLCP and the NWCP to conserve and manage the lakes, wetlands in the country, not for the waterfalls or parks in the country, right? Next we move for the 8th question, that is which of the following steps to be taken to lower the soil pollution. So option number 1 is refuse, reuse, recycle and reduce. Option number 2 is restrict, reuse, recycle and reduce. Option number 3 says refuse, reuse and reduce. So which of the following are the correct answer from the given code? You have to choose the correct code from here. Okay, so next we see option number A is only 1 and 2, option number B only 2 and 3, option number C is 1, 3 and 2, and option number D is only 1. So here our option A will be the right answer, because here it is talking about refuse, reuse, recycle and reduce. That is, you have to refuse to take the plastic bags, okay, and you have to reuse whatever you have taken in the past or whatever it is present. That is, even now the 50 above 50 the carry bags are allowed, and but you have to reuse it, okay. You should not use only once. And recycle it, how you will recycle? That is, you have to just avoid to take that kind of bags many times, okay. You have to use only for once, and it should be given for multiple uses. Next, reduce, try to reduce such kind of articles to use. Second statement says restrict. So whenever the term you see restricts, you'll get confused, so I have put up here the restrict option will goes wrong. And third statement, it says only about the refuse, reuse and reduce, but it won't talk about the recycle. So for this reason, the statement number 3 will goes wrong, and only statement number 1 is the correct option here. Next, for yes friends, for this video, that is it for this video. Please do subscribe for Acquire IAS. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. Have a great day.